Guys, right now there's something extremely important happening with Ethereum. Ethereum could well be about to fall off the face of a cliff towards the downside. Is it going to give us a better buying opportunity? Let's dive in, take a look. So we will take a look at some chart analysis, but before we do that, guys, I want to jump across to look at some crypto news that's happening. Cointelegraph, Bitcoin 2021 bull market buyers capitulate as data shows 50% losses. So it means the majority of people who've been buying Bitcoin last year are in a negative position. Obviously not a particular shock, but that does tend to be a metric showing us that we're about to see a reversal in the market. That said, we've also seen that their outflows from exchanges are extremely high, which is probably pushing towards to say that we're near the bottom of the market. But in terms of the fear and greed index, well, that's leaving a little to be desired. Because if we look into the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, we can see that we're around 26. And actually, we want to be far more in fear than we are right now to see a reversal. And there's only one thing that's going to really cause that, and that is a further dump towards the downside. Now, guys, if we jump into the Ethereum chart on a 4-hour, you can see something kind of interesting that's been happening. Yes, we've been crawling further down, and we've been starting to flatten off into this range here, between around $1,400 and around $1,250. Now, what I can see is about to happen in the shorter term is some sort of fall towards the downside like this, where we're going to retest around these levels. Now, what everyone is screaming for from the top of their lungs is for the Ethereum to end up back in this zone. But remember, when we've been in the zone, guys, we've been in that zone recently. That's probably not going to induce a huge amount of fear. It's not going to cause a huge amount of sell-off. Remember, to get to the bottom of the market, we're getting there because the big money needs to be able to buy. So how do they cause a liquidation event? Well, they need to push below this zone or do something a little bit more cheeky than that. So what I really anticipate happening is within the zone, possibly some sort of a break towards the upside, where we might see something like this occur, people diving in and taking lots more risks, and then possibly a push like this. And if we look into the Bitcoin chart, we'll see something similar occurring, where we've had another kind of top being put in here. And yes, we've been challenging to break out of a falling wedge, which has been going on for quite some time. But I do see a push to around 22.5K, maybe even higher to around 24K, before a retest of this level, and then our bull market begins. What's actually got me really excited is these people in the comments and various other things I've seen on YouTube telling me that Bitcoin's about to go to like 5K, Ethereum. You know, everyone obviously has become an expert in this space of time, and those are the people who you kind of want to listen to, pay attention to, and do the opposite, because they haven't really got a clue, they're just acting on their emotions. But I want to refer you back again to the DXY. Notice how in the last few days we've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum having a bit of a push towards the upside. Lo and behold, the DXY is pushing towards the downside. No one seems to make any reference to this. I did say that if we were breaking down below this channel, that we would then perhaps have a retest and a push further before forming us into some sort of a bull market. Once we break towards the upside like this and get rejected, it does look like the DXY is going to be heading into a bear market, so we're going to see a crypto bull market off the back of that. Whether it happens immediately, I'm not 100% sure. You know, I think we could still see a bit more of a squeeze towards the upside, and obviously throughout the year we're going to have more updates on interest rates and things like that. When the interest rates are high, people are no longer wanting to invest in stocks and shares with all of that borrowed money because it doesn't make sense anymore. So they're taking that money back, putting it into US dollars and chilling out, which maybe is not good for the stock market. It's definitely not good for crypto. But the DXY is starting to indicate that the US dollar is losing strength. If the DXY continues to plummet, we're going to see a breakout and the start of a bull market sooner, but I anticipate a bit of a drop for the... But jumping back to Ethereum, I do anticipate this dump towards this sort of level around 1257. Whether we break beyond here is all in the balance with the DXY. With Bitcoin, if we fail to hold at this level, then we might be expecting to see something like this prevail. But we must, notice I've drawn it in both cases, wait for some form of a retest. If you want to learn more about structure, retests, all these kind of things, and how to understand when we're going to enter trades, when we're going to be provided with some excellent trading setups, then make sure you go to the Telegram link down below in order to get into my free Telegram group with a bunch of other guys who are interested in trading, interested in Ethereum and crypto in general. And as well as that, I'm going to be giving away various offers within that group. We move into next week and beyond. I'm building a trading course at the moment, and that's going to get launched, and you will get access to a discount if you go through the group, as well as many other things. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick Ethereum update today. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for doing that. It's very difficult with YouTube content and crypto right now because the crypto market's been pretty boring and pretty quiet, but I really appreciate all of your support. And if you're new to the channel and you are wanting to learn more about Ethereum and crypto, you've come at a great time. Make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.